Hello, I'm Ted.
And I'm Winston.
And together we are one half of Mumford Sons.
Shout it out, Ted.
Midney? I'm a Melbourne man. I love it here. It's awesome.
Great.
These are mean questions.
They're so absolute.
I'd probably say guitar. But
I was a
depends on my
banjo
mood.
once.
You're a banjo?
Yeah. It's got to be Mac.
Sorry.
Sorry.
AC/DC. Absolutely no shadow of a doubt. Peter, definitely.
Sure. I'll join you on that.
Tricky.
Very tricky.
That is a tricky one.
I was watching Purple Rain on a flyover, and it was incredible. He's so amazing. I'll probably have to go Prince.
It's very difficult to decide that.
Yeah.
I'm going to judge based on being more sad about Bowie's death. Not that I wasn't sad about Prince's death. I was very sad about Prince's death. I once went to a Prince gig, I think with Ted, and was in the front row, and Prince put his guitar in my hands. I held it above my head, and he played it whilst I was holding it.
I don't even remember that. That whole experience was like a weird dream.
It was pretty special.
Wow. Wow.
Thank God it's not an either or.
Oh, it's hard, isn't it, that? I think Pet Sounds, for me, marries perfectly sentimentality. Listening to it as a kid growing up in the car with my parents. Wonderful textural, infinite intrigue in there. You can just listen to it over and over again, and the production is just so wonderful that you can just hear different things every time. Songs are brilliant. Those are beautiful harmonies. And it's just got an aesthetic that was so of that era. Such a great sort of sound that they achieved. It's the perfect marriage of so many things for me, so I'd probably have to say Pet Sounds.
I don't know if you can get it anymore. I genuinely think it's out of print. I don't think it's available on Spotify. It was called 90s Party. No, it was called The Best 90s Party Ever. And there was an epsilon before the ever. The best 90s party, ... ever, exclamation mark. Gloria Gaynor to like Aha. And
I can just see you now. Circa 1999.
Who sang
Wigging out.
Rhythm of the Night? Who's that? All that kind of stuff.
It's one of ours, wasn't it?
Yeah, should be. So I like that.
Sign No More, I think. Yeah. Some of the early stuff.
I really like Now 25. Well,
The production on that album is it.
Now 25 had Coolio, Gangsta's Paradise on it. Great.
Mm-hmm.
Just a great all-round record, really. It's got everything.